you don't want to get any of that stuff on you. So I've got my apron on and I've got my safety goggles. Super duper important whenever you do something in science to be prepared for it. All right, you guys got your sheets? I'm assuming you got your little sheets.
We're talking about it.
We're talking about these. Okay, so you guys have how many steps in your scientific method? Show me with your hands how many steps. I'm so excited. Yep, 6 steps. You guys are rocking it. Your science teachers have done something right. Yay! All right, so the first thing that scientists do is we always ask a question. When you are a good scientist, you're always wondering, I wonder what would happen. I wonder what this is going to happen. So good scientists are always asking questions. After you come up with a question, well, now what? What do I do with that? So you come up with your hypothesis. If I do this, I wonder what's going to happen next. And you write it down. I think this is going to happen if I do this. Then you do your experiment. When you do your experiment, you just don't wake up, hey, I'm going to do my experiment. You got to go get all your supplies. You have to make sure you have your stuff. You can't get in the middle of it and go, oh my gosh, I forgot to get the soda. Oh my gosh, I forgot all my Mentos. What am I going to do now? You got to go get everything. Now you notice my helper bees out here. They're setting up everything perfectly. They have it lined up. And these really cool little tubey things that are going on, that's a technical term, tubey things, are, you can buy these online and they're specifically made to do this experiment. So I believe there's 10 Mentos in each one.
There's 10, yes, Harold.
When people were doing this experiment before, they were trying to shove the Mentos in, but as soon as you use that, something happens. So somebody figured out, hey, let's make this. So you can slip all 10 Mentos into this device, put it onto your 2-liter bottle of soda, and then there's a little string you guys can see. Oh, we hear something. So that string's in there, and then all of a sudden you can pull out that string, and the Mentos all drop at the same time. You have to do that in an experiment because that's the only way you're going to get correct results for your data. Remember, your data is your information, so you've got to have all that done. So this is a super cool thing, and your teachers can tell you where you guys can order it. It's called the Geyser Tube. Super cool thing. All right, so when we're doing this, we have data. We've got 3 different types of soda. Hey, that is your variable. Hey guys, I'm the most important show in town and I got dressed up for this, okay? I'm just telling you right now. Okay, so you've got 3 different variables. We have regular Coke, Diet Coke, and Sprite. The thing that stays the same, the constant, is our Mentos. We got 10 of them for each one, so that part is not changing. The only thing in our experiment that is changing is the type of soda. That's our variable. When we finish, we've got some different data that we've got to record. One thing is we're going to try to decide which one shoots up the most. And after we're done watching all of these, we're going to put the bottles over there by my portable so you can wave at it when you walk by. And we're going to measure how much of the soda came out of the bottle. Okay, so it's going to be super cool. So, helper bees, are we ready?
Yeah! Okay, who wants to start with Coke? Who wants to start with Sprite? Yeah. Who wants to start with Diet Coke? Coke it is.
All right, safety goggles on. My helper bees are going to do it.
Oh my God. But I guess, third grade, we always make our predictions, right? We make our hypothesis. By a show of hands, who thinks Coke is going to go the highest? Oh, show of hands, not yelling.
All right.
Okay. Who hypothesized that Sprite would go the highest? All right. And who hypothesized Diet Coke would go the highest? Well, it looks like it's a toss-up between Coke and Diet Coke. All right. Are you ready? Yeah! Count down from 10 for me.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Go, go,